Sabadi Motukon. Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make eggplant skin pork sauce. Come on, let's go start it. Very easy and simple and so delicious. Let's do it. Steam sticky rice. First I have to steam sticky rice first. Set it off. And take it out. So just get ready, put in the bucket. See that? So nice and moist, steam, yummy. That's it. Put in here. See that? In the bucket right here. Now it's cover up. Just put the thin cover like this. Stay warm for 1 hour. Then you have it. Done. Right here I have eggplant, live eggplant and ginger and skin pork. Mixed sauce. Dipping with sticky rice. So delicious. Let's go cook. Okay, water is boiling right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put ginger in there. And eggplant in there too. Steam them, like cook well. And later on coming smash and make a sauce. Okay, this is hot pepper, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook them all together. So simple. Okay, now I'm gonna go start working on the pork skin. And put in blender right here. Go ahead, blend it. Okay. Get it out. Put it back in here. See, you got it. You blend it very well. Okay, this is second. Alright, now you have it. Rice, I boiled it. Eggplant and hot peppers already done, so I'm gonna go ahead get this done. Okay, next step, I'm gonna go ahead hot pepper blend it. Eggplant too, so let's go ahead get this in. So they are in now. So go ahead get this done. Already done. Put in the bowl right here. Just like that. I'm gonna keep going until I finish this. About 3 times to be finished this. Okay, eggplants already done, and pork skin and garlic. Let's go put them together and cook, make it delicious sauce, guys. Okay, good. Alright, I'm gonna use good oil, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, น้ำมันมะกอกเด้อใส่ลงไปเลย olive oil. So I'm gonna go ahead stir fry the garlic, make the garlic taste good, guys. Okay. Alright, chopped garlic. I put a lot of garlic because I love garlic, guys. Okay. Try to stir fry garlic, make it nice and golden brown and smell good. This is the best part cooking. This is important. It's so easy. It's not that hard. It's step by step. So take a look step by step. So easy and good food and healthy benefit to you at the same time. See that garlic smells so good now. Golden brown enough. This pork skin I just blended. Okay, go ahead, cook this one first. Okay, pork skin already in there. This is how you make eggplant pork skin sauce. So this eggplant gonna go all the way down. Very important right here. So to mix them together, it comes to the same taste. So good, guys. Okay, seasoning chicken powder. Make a good taste. No MSG. I don't like MSG with my food. This one. So mushroom seasoning right here. Okay, and mix them together. and then Thai fish sauce. Just like that, and let's taste. Add some more fish sauce, a little bit. Tastes so good, guys. Tastes so good. Okay, now it's already done. So simple is that. Make sure the taste you like tastes good, and I'm gonna go with spring onion and cilantro. That's it, guys. Simple as that. Very easy and done. Yep. Done. Let's go. Put in the place and eat. With sticky rice, I just finished steam. That's it. Done. Alright, let's put in the. This is eggplant. Eggplant, ginger, hot pepper sauce. Okay, guys. Let's go eat. Like that. Eat. Let's go here. Eat. Sticky rice and just cook. Okay. For the rice. Sticky rice already done early. See that sticky rice steam. Yum. Gonna eat sticky rice in my hand like this. Make sure my hand clean. And just dip in with this one. Like that. So delicious. So good. Try to make cake, guys. So easy and simple and tastes so good. Guys, you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will show you more how to cook this food. Thank you for watching. One more bite. There you go. Alright, so easy, delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm so hungry. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.